I made over $1,300 in less than 4 minutes, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. Here's the market right before I took the trade. It's on NASDAQ, and specifically NQ, so NASDAQ E-mini futures. And let's see what we can see here. So we had a pretty significant push to the upside and then a pullback. So it broke the high of the day, which is marked out by the green line here, and then it pulled back and consolidated. So that's good. That's gonna give me the opportunity to take the trade. So if price does not break this low right here, price will have made a higher high and a higher low. And a higher high and a higher low is an uptrend. So I'm going to be looking for a bullish trade somewhere in this consolidation range or on the breakout. So I have my more zoomed in chart here. I like to take my trades on a more zoomed in chart. It's easier for me to manage them. But I marked out the bottom of the range and around the top of the range. And what I'm looking for here is for the Renko candle to flip to the upside before breaking the low. If it breaks the low, I'm not going to be looking for the long, or at least not for a little bit. But if the Renko flips to the upside before breaking the low, well, I'm going to take a bullish trade. And this is right before the market opened. Alright, market opens up right here, and I'm waiting to see what it does. We push down to the low. We're right at the level that I've really been watching, and so I'm just waiting to see if it's gonna break or if it's gonna bounce. And boom, just like that, the Renko flips to the upside. Getting the bounce, I enter the trade. I already got target 1 at 8 ticks, and I'm just waiting for right there the opportunity to put my stop and profit. So I cannot lose money on this trade now. I'm already up 265 on the trade, and I'm just trailing my stop on the micro pullbacks. So price pulls back just a little bit right there, and then it starts going back up. So that's what I'm looking for to trail my stop, and well, big runner right here. We're approaching $500 on the trade. We're up 480. We're still waiting for another micro pullback to lock in some more profits, because the higher I trail my stop, the more profit I lock in. I'm up $700 now on the trade, and price pulls back, so I'm looking for a place to put my stop. And if you notice on the more zoomed out chart, this is actually testing yesterday's high, which is marked out by the blue line. It's starting to push up. I trail my stop, and well, price keeps on going. It rejected yesterday's high, and it's still running. Up 810 so far in the trade, and still climbing. Up 850. I'm looking for the next micro pullback to place my stop. Price pushes higher right there, so I'm able to put my stop even farther in profit. So I keep on trailing it up. Now we're 970 in profit, 980 in profit. And now we've just cracked $1,000. So I'm just waiting once again for my stop to be in profit, because I don't want to limit the potential of this trade. I could have just taken it off a while ago. I could have just taken the money, but I decided not to. I decided to see how much money I could get. Pulls back again, tiny micro pullback, and then continues to push higher. I put my stop. I've locked about $1,000 in profit. And then I trail it up even higher, just to be sure that I don't lose any more. I'm up 1,500. Well, not. I meant 1,200. Okay. I got too excited there. Sorry. But we're up 1250, 1240. Just waiting for the next spot. Price keeps on ripping. And this is not a typical trade. This is a really good trade. We're up 380, 1380. Up 1,420. I'm waiting for the pullback. Price starts pulling up. And then it pushes up. I put my stop just to be safe. And then it stops us out to lock in a 13.10 profit. Do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe right now if you want to see more videos like this.